Hello and namaste everyone. Today's practice is focusing on the core of our body, which are our abdominals. So let's begin with Tadasana. Now Tadasana is an excellent warm-up pose. Keep your feet together, toes lifted up, knees absolutely straight, hip pushing slightly forward, chest up, shoulders rolled back, neck in line with the spine. And ensure that you are standing absolutely straight. Keep breathing here. Continue to breathe. And 3. Keep breathing. 2. Keep breathing. And 1. And take your right foot up. On the inside of your left thigh, you can hold the ankle and place the foot there. See that the left hip is not pushing out and both the hips are in one line. So basically you're still in Tadasana, just that the right foot is placed on the left thigh. The foot and the thigh are pushing against each other. Bring your palms to heart center. If you're comfortable, stay there or extend your palms up. And stay here and breathe for 5, 4, keep breathing, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming out of the posture, bringing the palms down, taking your right leg behind. Take the leg behind and place the leg at the far end. Coming into a lunge position. From there, twist, taking the right elbow on the outside of your left knee. Remember, the elbow is on the outside. Press your palms together. Your palms are still in Namaste. You can place the back knee down or keep it up if you're comfortable there. And then keep breathing. Stay here and breathe for 5. Keep breathing. 4. Stay. 3. Keep the back knee absolutely straight. 2. And 1. Bring the palms down. Take your left foot back into a plank and hold the plank for 5. Elbows slightly bent. 4. 3. Keep breathing. 2 and 1. Push back into downward facing dog. Feet together. Lift your right leg up. Lift your right leg up and bending your knee. Bring the right leg forward in between your elbows as forward as possible. Inhale. Take the right leg back up. And as you exhale, bring the leg forward, higher, toes are pointing. Inhale, lift the leg back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, leg back up. And exhale, forward. One last time. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, forward and hold it for 3, 2, 1. And inhale, take the leg back up and once again bring the foot forward outside of your right palm and extend your palms in front. Remember, you're not coming up, you're staying parallel to the floor and you're just extending the palms in front. Stay here and breathe. And bring your left foot forward. Continue to breathe. Nothing changes. Hip and head in one line. Stay. And bring the palms down, extend your legs up, hip reaching towards the ceiling. Continue to breathe. From there, heel to your feet together. Bring the palms to the hip and come up and stand up. From there, prepare for the other side. Feet together, once again shoulders rolled back and palms reaching down. Tadasana. Once you are settled in Tadasana, lift the left leg up, left foot on the inside of the right thigh. Nothing else changes. Your hip is not jutting out. Be mindful of that. Keep your hip in the center, palms to heart center, and extend the palms up whenever you are ready. If you're not comfortable, keep the palms at the heart center. And breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms back down. Take your leg back towards the far end, moving into a lunge. Adjust your feet, bringing the left elbow outside of the right knee. Remember, the elbow is outside. Press your palms down so that the palms are towards the center of the chest, and twist and look up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing here. And slowly bring your palms down. Take the leg back. Into a plank. Hold the plank for a few breaths and move back into downward facing dog. Taking your left leg up, pointing the toes up. And as you exhale, bend the knee, bring the knee forward. Inhale, take it back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. And exhale, forward. Inhale, back up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale and hold for 3, 2, 1. And inhale, back up. And bring your foot on the outside of your left palm. Extend both the arms in front. And stay here and breathe. Once you're ready, bring the other foot forward. You are squatting and extending the arms forward. Be aware of the abdomen. Slowly bring the palms down. Straighten your legs, heel toe your feet together and bend forward. Gently bending your knees, roll and come up. Coming into a kneeling position, knees on the floor and hip width apart. Feet can be pointing back or tucked in. It's better if you keep them tucked in for better support. Or if you're comfortable pointing them back, you can do that as well. Do not arch your back. Keep your back straight and lean back from the knees, hinging from the knees and forward. Inhale back and exhale forward. Inhale back, 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 exhale forward. Continue and forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward and relax. Release. Sit back and sit down. Extending your legs in front. Fingers are pointing towards you. You can choose to keep your knees slightly bent or straight. Keep your palms next to your hips. From there, bring the toes down, come up into a tabletop, drop your head back. And come back, keep lifting the hip up. Hip is lifted all the time. Inhale, back to tabletop. Exhale, straighten your legs and lift the hip up. Inhale. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, lift the hips, straighten the legs. Inhale, back to tabletop. Exhale, straighten your legs and lift the hip up. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, straighten your legs, lift the hip up. Inhale, tabletop. And exhale, straighten legs, hip off. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, straighten the legs, hip off the floor. Inhale up. And exhale, straighten the legs, hip off. Inhale, back up. Exhale, straighten the legs, hip off the floor. Inhale, up. Exhale, straighten the legs, hip off the floor. Inhale, back up. Exhale. Inhale, hold for 3, 2, 1 and exhale, hold for 3, 2, 1 and down, release. And rotate your wrists if your wrists are hurting. You can turn your fingers even downwards and press the palm towards you. Left hand and then the other one. Once you're done with this, come into Padmasana or lotus pose. If you cannot do lotus pose, you can just keep your legs crossed. See that the toes are on the floor and you're trying to lift the hip off the floor. Otherwise, if you can do the lotus pose, completely lift the hip, knees, legs are already off the floor and stay there. And bring it down. Inhale, lift up and down. Inhale, lift the hip up and down. Inhale, up and release. Inhale, up and release. Inhale, up and release. And again, lift up and release. Lift up and release. Lift up and release. Lift up and hold. 3, 2, 1 and slowly release. And release your feet out. And keep your knees bent. Hold your ankles. Hold your ankles or sides of your feet and rock back and forth. Rock back and again come up and sit up. Rock back, come up and sit up. And rock back and lie down on the floor. Hug your knees to the chest. Keep breathing. And release your feet down. Prepare for a modified bridge pose. Press your palms down into the floor. Feet are separate, hip width apart. Lift the hip up and raise your right leg up. Move your right leg towards the left side and towards the right side like a pendulum. Left and right. Left and right. See that your hip is not coming down. Towards left and right. Left and right. Keep your leg active, toes pointed. Left and right. And keep the leg high in the center and slowly bring it down, bring the hips down. Prepare for the other side. Lift up. Inhale and lift up and bring the left leg up and take your left leg towards the left side and then towards the right, towards the left and right, left and right, left and right. Remember, we're doing the pendulum motion, left and right. Keep lifting the hip higher and hold in the center and slowly bring it down and bring the hip down. Keep breathing here. Very gently. Take both your legs up. You can keep the knees bent, toes pointed. Remember to keep your feet active, legs active. So you can choose to keep your feet pointed or flexed, but feet active. And raise your upper body towards your toes. So the whole upper body raises towards the body. Remember, you're pulling the navel in. And exhale. And exhale, lift up. Exhale. And exhale, lift up. And keep going. Exhale, lift up. Exhale, lift up. Reach the toes. Exhale and lift up. And exhale and lift up. And slowly bend your knees over the chest. Hug your knees. Continue to breathe. Watch what is happening at your abdominals, and we'll repeat this. Straighten the legs, point the toes, arms up, and exhale and reach up. And exhale and reach up. 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 Exhale and hug your knees into the chest. Stay here, keep breathing. Continue to breathe. Very gently release your legs. Extend your legs for Shavasana. Feet flopped onto either sides. Stay there as long as you want. Thank you for the practice. Namaste and see you in the next video.